somebody higher than you?
On the district level, Your Honor.
So and who was that?
The district director, Your Honor.
And he was the district director at that time.
Just I could not remember the...
Imposible naman, Colonel, hindi mo matandaan yung immediate superior mo.
Just I'll check, Your Honor.
I'll check. I'll give you 30 seconds. Please check.
Yes, Your Honor. Check ko lang, Your Honor.
No, hindi naman kapani-paniwala na hindi mo matandaan kung sino yung superior mo. If you're trying to cover up for someone, do it in the most professional way, so to speak. I don't know if there is really a professional way to do that, but there is some semblance of cover-up.
The letter order number 1657, the subject matter is the composition of SITG regarding Wesley Barayoga. It was by the command of Police Brigadier General Almasan, Your Honor.
General Almasan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pagka sinabi bang district director which covers the area of Mandaluyong, ito ba ay part of the NCR?
Yes, Your
So-
Honor. Pamarisan, Your Honor. Pasig, Marikina, Eastern po, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
Eastern. And that time, the
Taguig.
Eastern Police District Director was General
Almasan, Your Honor.
Almasan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Siya nag-order na mag-create ng SITG.
Yes, Your Honor.
So did you not conduct an immediate initial investigation on that assassination incident that happened within your area of jurisdiction? Wala ka bang ginawang investigasyon?
Nag-conduct din po kami ng investigation, Your Honor. We were able to get affidavits of those duty that time in PCSO. I was able to extract the CCTV on the fronting the crime scene, Your Honor.
So what is shown on TV yung sa side
Yeah, Your
So
Honor.
you have
There was
another-
an establishment, Your Honor.
Meron kang another video.
Ano, Your Honor? It was only the CCTV that time on the establishment on the side, Your Honor.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the finding? What was your findings in your initial investigation?
Yung inano namin, Your Honor, yung perpetrators, Your Honor, sinundan namin yun, binacktrack din namin, umabot hanggang dun sa Guadalupe, yung CCTV ng MMDA, Your Honor. We have taken also CCTV